Hi there, I'm Chie and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are painting an easy watercolor landscape of a beautiful backlit scene of trees in warm evening light using the magical contre-jour effect. We will use a few simple watercolor techniques to capture that peaceful sunset feeling with no stress. This is perfect for beginners and anyone who just want to relax and enjoy the watercolor process. We will begin by laying down a gentle wet-on-wet wash for the sky. I'm using a blend of cerulean blue and ultramarine blue at the top, then softly transitioning into yellow ochre with a hint of cadmium yellow to suggest that warm sunset glow. Contre-jour means against the light, and it's a lovely technique for creating glowing atmospheric scenes. For the ground area, I used burnt sienna and deepened it near the base with a rich mix of neutral-tint and sepia. Try tilting your paper to let the pigment flow naturally. This is a great way to explore how watercolor behaves on wet paper, and it adds a beautiful softness to the scene. Once I'm happy with the wash, I'll let it totally dry before moving on to the next step. Now that the paper is almost dry, we can start painting more defined midground trees using a mix of ultramarine blue, neutral tint and a touch of sepia. Since some areas are still slightly damp, you will notice the edge of the trees stays soft in some places, which adds a beautiful atmospheric effect. Here, I lifted a little paint to create glowing highlights where the light hits. I also dropped in a little clean water here and there while the paint was still wet to suggest light filtering through the leaves, creating a subtle glowing texture. I must say it was very enjoyable to paint it without the stress of making it a perfect painting. And there we go, an easy, relaxing sunset watercolor painting that captures the mood of trees glowing in backlight. And if you enjoyed this easy watercolor session, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future art adventures. Now see you in the next video.